Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, in this video, we'll be looking at Cardano against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, and against the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video, hit the like button down below, and also consider subscribing. Thank you for getting me to 200 subscribers. It really means a lot, and I think if there's at least one person that found value in these videos and how I see the market, then that's great. That is worth it to me, and it really makes it enjoyable. And I do enjoy making these videos. But enough of the sob story. Let's jump into the chart. So here we have the Cardano Bitcoin valuation. Uh, for a long time, for about a year, Cardano was in this range here, essentially accumulating. And then once it broke its prior peak a second time, I would consider these two the same. It broke through the third, and it came back. It came all the way up to about roughly 1473 sats, and it came back down. And now here we are, weeks later. When we first saw it, Cardano was down here in the last video. And now here we are in the upper region of this channel. I argued that we simply don't really know yet how Cardano reacts in this phase of the bull market. Cardano came out at the end of the bull market when there was that last altcoin gasp of the market before it all came crashing down. Cardano was a part of it. It went up as high as $1, I believe, and it here we are back down, went as low as 2 cents just 9 months, like just about a year ago. I argued that it could very well be a pattern for Cardano to make a large peak, come back down, but instead of coming back down to the previous accumulation zone, it will create a step higher of another accumulation zone. And here we are, we wicked up to around that level again, much like how we saw back in November, December, and also in October, September. We have wicked up here. My guess is that, well, I really don't have a guess here. It just seems like it is playing out that this is an accumulation phase. And it seems like for the time being, buying at this lower range here is a good decision every single time. Uh, I'm not going to say that you should buy there and then sell up here, but if you're looking to accumulate more Cardano to increase your Bitcoin valuation, uh, look to the lower part of the zone. And also keep in mind that this right here in December could have been the last time it went that low. If altcoin season is really upon us, then I would anticipate Cardano to break this. There's no reason why it shouldn't break it because it has everything going for it. And for that, we could probably see something in the mind of like this here repeated. So I'll kind of draw what I mean here. It's not going to look perfect, but it might give us an idea of what could happen. So I mentioned how Cardano seems to be making a new level for accumulation, like what we said here. It's a lot similar to here. We could very well see another breakout to a new level, and it could look something like this. So um, I'll do it like that. Sure. So we see the general accumulation from what we saw here in the beginning of September. It'll break out, rise to a new level, and come back down and make a new level of accumulation. Now, I'm not saying that the new accumulation is going to be here, but I'm just showing it for example purposes of how it might look. We might see a consistent 2 steps forward, 1 step back mentality with Cardano. And you know what? To be fair, that's perfectly fine. Predictable patterns are great. That's how you make money. So that's something that I'm looking at. Time will tell if Cardano truly breaks out of this. If it does, with enough volume and something that you could see with it really shows in the weekly, then by all means, this might be the next leg up for Cardano. Um, it's going to be hard to say where that top will be, um, but it'll be exciting to see it ride up. Full disclosure, I don't own any Cardano. It's not that I don't like the project; it just I didn't see an opportunity that worked for me. Um, with that said, that's it with the Bitcoin valuation. The Ether valuation's quite similar in the sense of that lower trading channel. It's just expanded to the entire chart. Uh, we see here once again that buying in this lower trading channel here is a good buy if you're looking to trade it back into Ethereum. We see consistent tops, so the next rally of Cardano could very well hit this 54,000 Ether level, or I can't. Is it Ether as the fractional name for Ethereum? Not sure, but you get what I'm saying. We have shown it has shown time and time again that this bottom channel is a great time to buy Cardano with Ethereum, and when it does move out, it does move out with fruition. We'll see if we can replicate something like what we saw in the spring, but again, time will tell about that. US dollar, Cardano's at 30 cents. This is really good. Now, this is the Binance Tether US chart, so it's not going to have the entire data because Cardano did not top out at 35 cents. It went straight to a dollar. So we are coming back up to 30 cents. Uh, we'll see where this goes. If alt season is upon us, expect the dollar valuation to get higher, and much faster so than its Bitcoin comparative. Anyway, that's what I see with Cardano. If alt season is upon us, then expect Cardano to begin to really, really move. And the two things we'd want to see is it to outpace Bitcoin and also to outpace Ethereum because it has in the past. That is why you hold Ethereum. That's why you hold Cardano as a hedge. You should, but I'm guessing there is different reasons why you'd want to hold Cardano. But one of them is to have it as a hedge against Ethereum. And with that, you'd kind of want your Cardano position to at least outperform Ethereum, or why hold it? That's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.